So there's another book on innovation, the one I've written recently, a biography of innovations from birth to maturity. There are lots of books on innovations, lots of books. So I had to explain why this is different, and that's what I seek to do in the next few minutes. We live in a world where we've created a fallacy that the closer you are to something, the more you know about it. But that's not always true. In fact, very often it is not true. For example, your brain is closest to you, but I don't think we really understand what the brain functioning is, how it works, whether it works at all. And I want to just spend the first few minutes in this episode to tell you a little bit about the human brain. The human brain essentially assesses what's happening. It generates options for you to decide how to deal with them. It helps you to decide which one you should do, and then it helps you to execute. It does all the four things that I've just mentioned. And it is working all the time. It never goes to sleep. 24/7 it's working. And in this brain, there are two networks. There is an executive network, which is the one that gives instructions logically and analytically on what should be done, what are the options. But there's a second network called the creative network. The creative network imagines what there isn't. We all create our perception of reality based on assumptions that come out of our experience. And that animals do, and human beings also do. But animals, at least to the best of our knowledge, are not capable of imagining a reality. Human beings can imagine a reality. Human beings can think of the future and imagine what they would like it to be, and this is because they have a creative network. And that is the big distinction between human beings and many other species. So I hope I've given you a short introduction to the human brain and how it works, and how it is so close to you and yet so little known to you.